So hello and welcome everyone to the new episode of the interview Viva series. In this video we are going to discuss the electric motor, why the electric motors are rated on kW and not in kVA. Now this is again the most frequently asked interview question, because if you are going to face any interview, they will first ask you that the transformer and motor, they are working on which principle. I hope you know the answer and you will tell them it is working on the principle of Faraday's electromagnetic induction. Then they will ask you that why transformer is rated on kVA and why motor is rated on kW. If you don't know that why transformers are rated on kVA, click here. I have made the video, you can go to that video and you can understand that why transformers are rated on the kVA. After watching the video, come back to this video and let's understand that why motors are rated on kW. First of all, you need to understand the formula of kVA and kW. kW is equal to the voltage into current into power factor, whereas the kVA is equal to voltage into current. Now in the formula of kW, there is one factor that is nothing but power factor. Here the power factor comes into the picture. Power factor totally depends on the nature of the load. In the case of transformer is supplying power to the load. That load is electric load. That means depending on the nature of the electric load, power factor depends. Whether it is resistive, whether it is capacitive, whether it is inductive. Depending on the nature of the load, power factor varies. Now transformer manufacturer doesn't know that which type of electric load would be connected to this transformer, and that is why power factor cannot be known for the transformer. Now in the case of electric motor's basic principle is to convert the electrical energy to the mechanical energy. So here the load would be mechanical load. So here there is no question of having any resistive, inductive or capacitive load. The load will be purely mechanical load. And so here the supply that is given to the motor, based on that the power factor is defined. So supply is definitely given by us. We are giving the supply to the electric motor. So for motor the power factor is specified. Why? Because motor is taking active power that is converted to the mechanical power, and there is mechanical load that is driven by the electric motor. So this is the picture. Now in this case we are giving the supply, so we know that at what percentage of the load what would be the power factor. And if you see the nameplate of electric motor at 100% load, that means when the motor is carrying 100% load, at that time what would be the rated voltage, what would be the rated current and what would be the rated power factor is specifically given. So for motor the power factor is specified, it is already known, and that is why we can rate the motor in kW and not in kVA. So this is the basic explanation that why motors are rated on kW and not on kVA. I hope with this explanation you are clear with the idea. Still, if you are having any kind of doubt, please put it into the comment box. I will be very happy to answer them all. So that's it about the video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much. And yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.